And tonight at 5 o'clock, we want to get you updated on the coronavirus situation here in the United States.
And we also want you to know that we're only going to bring you the facts, not fear, as we talk about this global health scare around the country. Now, we've been learning that 11 people so far have died, including the first death outside of the state of Washington.
That 11th death was reported today in California. The county health department says that person was elderly, had underlying health conditions, and was probably infected during international travel on a Princess cruise ship from San Francisco to Mexico.
And also happening today, leaders in Congress struck a deal on an $8.3 billion emergency funding bill to fight the coronavirus. The House just passed that bill. The Senate is expected to vote on it tomorrow.
And meantime, Vice President Mike Pence said today that he will be traveling to Washington State on Friday.
And we're now beginning to hear how some central Indiana counties are preparing to deal with the coronavirus if it decides to come here.
Our Rich Van Wyk shares the answers that he got from health workers in Tippecanoe County today.
The Tippecanoe County Health Department has already tested a small number of people suspected of being sickened by COVID-19. The results are back. They're all negative.
At this time, Indiana has no confirmed cases of coronavirus.
Dr. Jeremy Alder puts the number at less than 10.
There are individuals who have traveled from areas of the world where coronavirus is more prevalent.
And they exhibited flu-like symptoms. People have lots of questions about this new, seemingly unstoppable virus. Can someone be infected with COVID-19 and not look or feel sick? The answer is yes. However,
the spread of the illness by asymptomatic people, that is people who don't show symptoms, has not been a major factor in coronavirus.
People who are sickened by the COVID-19 virus receive a wide range of treatment.
Anywhere from the basic supportive care measures that one would use when one has the cold or the flu, all the way up to hospitalization, which would include oxygen, IV fluids, other sorts of general medical support. The illness can last anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks.
And how long do victims remain contagious?
That information is currently not known.
The county health officer urged residents to take common sense precautions, rely less on social media, and more on medical professionals to get accurate information. Rich Van Wyk, Channel 13, Eyewitness News.
And no doubt if you've been seeing at local stores and even heard us mention, people are really beginning to stock up now on hand sanitizer as we speak.
It probably comes as no surprise to you that sales of Perel products have more than tripled. This is according to our news gathering partners at KHOU.
Now, Perel says it's pumping up production as well to meet the demand, and it has been doing so since January when the virus began to spread around the nation.